Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Amazon affiliate links to Linktree. To get started, open your Linktree admin dashboard. This is where you manage the links and content that appear on your Linktree page. Once you're inside the admin area, take a moment to make sure you're on the main management screen so you can easily access the tools you need. Next, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Shop. This section is designed for organizing products, collections, and other shopping-related content that you want to feature on your Linktree. If you plan to share affiliate products, this is the area where everything will come together. After that, click on Add. This will begin the process of creating a new shopping item or section. When the available options appear, choose Collection. A collection is useful because it lets you group one or more product links together in a clean, organized format. This can make your Linktree page look more polished and easier for visitors to browse. Now enter a title for your collection. Use a clear, simple title that helps your audience understand what they'll find inside. For example, you might name it something related to your favorite products, recommendations, or a specific category. Choosing a descriptive title can improve clicks because people immediately know what to expect. Once the title is entered, click Continue. This takes you to the next stage where you can begin adding the actual affiliate link. At this point, copy your Amazon affiliate URL. Be sure you're copying the full link you want visitors to use, since this is the tracked URL connected to your affiliate account. It's always a good idea to double-check the link before pasting it just to make sure it leads to the correct product page. Then return to Linktree and paste the copied URL into the provided field. Make sure the entire link is included and that there are no extra spaces before or after it. Small formatting issues can sometimes cause links not to work properly, so a quick review here can save time later. Finally, click Add. This will place the Amazon affiliate link into your Linktree shop collection. Once it's added, you can review how it appears and confirm that everything looks correct. And that's it. You've successfully added an Amazon affiliate link to Linktree using the Shop Collection feature. Before finishing, it's a good idea to test the link from your public Linktree page to make sure it opens correctly and gives your visitors a smooth experience.